In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3.9.5. First, search for Python, and then go to the link python.org. We're going to want to click on Downloads, and click on Windows, right here. Once you click on Windows, we're going to want to scroll down until we see the version that we're looking for. So I'm wanting to download Python 3.9.5, and I want to download the Windows Installer 64-bit. It downloads fairly quickly, it just depends on your internet connection speed. Then I'm going to click on our file that we just downloaded. Once the executable opens, we're going to want to check mark this Add Python 3.9 to path, so that way we can use simple Python commands in the terminal. And then once you check mark that, we're going to want to click Install Now. Once you click Install Now, there will be a prompt, and you'll want to click Yes. So I clicked Yes. It's just allowing the software to install for Windows 10. It shows that the setup was successful, so I'm just going to close this, and I'm going to go down here to my terminal and type in Python --version, and you can see now that we have Python 3.9.5 installed. If you found this content helpful or you like this content, drop a like button and also subscribe. Thank you.